Hi friends, welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to do brain segmentation and 3D volume rendering of head MRI images using FAST. Let's start. Framework for Heterogeneous Medical Image Computing and Visualization, FAST. It is an open source framework developed for neural network inference and visualization of medical images using multi-core CPU and GPU. When you open the Python tutorials, you can see a lot of examples. Open using FAST on MRI and CT images. Click brain segmentation of MRI using neural network. You can see the sample code and output here. After setting up the FAST environment, you can run the code. When you run the code, you can see scrollable stack of slices. The left one is the sagittal slices. The center and the right one is transverse slices. You can change the slice direction to see the slices. You can change the intensity level and intensity window using scrollable bar. When you run the 3D volume rendering code, it will create a 3D volume of head using alpha blending volume rendering. You can click and drag to change the view of the 3D volume. By running the brain segmentation code, you can segment the brain from head MRI image using neural network. Using the scrollable bar, you can see the slices with the segmented brain. When you run the brain segmentation and 3D volume rendering code, it will create a 3D volume brain. Now you can see the 3D volume of the brain using brain segmentation and 3D volume rendering. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.